So I'm using this argan oil heat defense leave-in spray. It's a leave-in heat protectant spray to protect the hair from heat. So I sprayed it on the portion of the hair that I want to use the straightener on. My straightener is already preheated, so it's very hot. I use the hair straightener, I place the hair inside the hair straightener and I drag it downwards, and towards the end I bend my hand to give it that bob effect because this is the bob wig. So guys, this is what I did for everything. If you want a detailed tutorial on how I revamp this hair and achieve this look, do well to comment down below in the comment section. Say yes, we need a tutorial. If this video gets up to 1000 views, guys, I'm going to do it, and I'll see you in my next style episode. Bye.